What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Blade, your go-to spot for all things crypto.
SEC is going to end up with a $50 million. The U.S. government's going to get $50 million. We'd even talked about making that available in XRP.
XRP is leading the charge once again, and we've got a lot of bullish updates to break down. We're entering a critical window. May and June are shaping up to be huge months for Bitcoin, XRP, and the overall crypto market. The tax season sell-off is behind us. Global tensions are cooling. And now, the charts are whispering something big. Today, we're diving into the Bitcoin breakout setup, XRP's next big move, and why the next 60 days might flip the entire game. So do me a favor, smash that like, hit subscribe, and let's get into it. Quick market check. Bitcoin is sitting at $84,460, up 2% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at $1,605, up 0.3%. XRP is flying at $2.18, up over 5%, back in that key range between $2 and $2.50. Last week, I told you $76,500 was the bottom for Bitcoin. We even tweeted it. Since then, BTC is up over $1,000 and touched $86,000, exactly the level we've been calling on this show. Total crypto market cap is now at $2.658 trillion, and the momentum is just starting to pick up. Now let's talk TLN. This is the native token for one of the biggest NFT gaming ecosystems on the XRP ledger. And here's the alpha. We're in talks with a YouTube superstar, over 1.3 million subscribers, 100K average views per video. If this promo deal happens, the exposure alone could pump TLN hard. The price went from $0.0005 to $0.0008 in just a week, up over 100%. Liquidity is still light. Just $300 can clear the top of the order book. If even 1% of this influencer's audience apes in, the upside could be massive. You can grab TLN on Uniswap and Bitswap, links are down below. Back to Bitcoin. We are in what I call no man's land, that stretch between resistance and breakout. Liquidity is building. Once we clear $86,000 cleanly, I believe we'll test $92,000 soon, and then it's liftoff. Big money is loading up quietly. Institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity didn't file for ETFs to just sit around. They're accumulating behind the scenes. You'll see $50,000 and $100,000 buy orders coming through. That's the whales moving in. And let me repeat this is bull season. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high before the halving for the first time ever. Altcoin season hasn't even started yet. Once BTC dominance drops below 60%, the altcoin wave begins. XRP is the one to watch. Short-term resistance sits at $2.22 to $2.55. If we can close a weekly candle above $3, we could be heading straight to $6, $8, maybe even $68, and that could happen within the next 60 days. This is my first attempt at a new video style where I cut the macro backdrop is also in our favor. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced that the SEC is dropping its